time to assemble our balloon powered car, part 3. So we have the body of our car, and we are going to tape the 2 paper tubes onto the can. This is where our wheels, the axles are going to go through the paper tubes. So on either end of the can, tape the tubes. Okay, taped on there. And then the wheels. So we're going to put our cardboard wheels on. We want to be very careful that we don't poke ourselves with the pencil. We made a little slit. Remember, we cut a little tiny slit to help us push the pencil through. So this might be a place where you need an adult to help you. So if that's true, then you need to stop the video, go get an adult to help you, because I don't want you to poke yourself with the pencil. So we're pushing it through and sliding the cardboard down. And then we're gonna put the pencil through the paper tube, and then we're gonna put the other wheel. Slide it on carefully. Okay. So it will turn, the pencil will turn the wheels. Carefully sliding, pushing the cardboard on through the little snip that we made. Pushing the pencil through the tube, sliding it through, and then we're gonna put that last piece of cardboard on. Carefully, 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 so we don't poke ourselves. There. So now it will roll if I'm pushing it. But we want to get the balloon power going. We want to let the air coming out of the balloon push the car. So here's our straw with our balloon. Let's see. We want to make sure when we put it on that we have room to blow into the balloon, or the straw. So a big piece of tape. All right, so here we go. We're gonna give it a try and see if it works. Hopefully everything will work. Okay, here we go. Let's see, hopefully everything will work. Make sure my wheels are straight. Okay, I'm gonna let go. Oh, it worked. I'm gonna try again. I wanna see that again. Here we go. Yay! So, we made a balloon powered car out of recycled materials. But remember, you can be creative and you can try different things. Remember, we talked about water bottles. You could use different things for the axles. You might use different things for the wheels. Okay, so be creative, and be sure to post your cars that you make. There'll be a link that you can post to on Facebook. Okay, so thank you for learning how to make a balloon powered car, and I hope that you'll be able to make a lot of different types of cars out of your materials that you have at home.